the panelists, I want us to hold our hands together in solidarity with Nnamdi Kanụ. So together we are holding this, and we are asking that the authorities in Nigeria release our brother
immediately.
We don't no options, immediately.
Unconditionally.
You don't talk about before the Tinubu release Kanu.
Let my people go.
Let my people go.
Oh, yes.
So, Reverend, I know you don't talk tired today.
We'll continue to fight till he's out.
All right. God bless you.
And he will be the fifth hand on this next time.
I like that. Thank you very much.
Val Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima.